Welcome guys! Today we have a HRX brand t-shirt for review. It comes in a basic polythene cover, no fancy covers. It's basically a gym or casual wear. The MRP mentioned is Rs. 8.99. The fabric is treated with pure silver technology, which avoids bad smell or odor. But I have purchased it for just Rs. 149. The purchase link of this t-shirt is given in the description. It's a round neck or crew neck t-shirt. There is a good quality HRX branding at the neck section. Basic details of the t-shirt are mentioned here. It's a made in India t-shirt. The fabric is 100% polyester. The overall stitching quality of the t-shirt is excellent. HRX brand t-shirts usually have good stitch quality. These sleeves are of short length, which is perfect for a casual or gym wear. I have also reviewed another type of HRX t-shirt. The link of that video is given in the description of this video. The print quality is excellent, and the design is minimal, which looks good on wearing. It's a regular fit t-shirt. The width is perfect for a regular fit tees. The size I have purchased is M. The t-shirt is true to product specification. The length of the t-shirt is also sufficiently long, which is good for shoulder press and other exercises at gym. The fabric is really very smooth and comfortable to wear. It's a rapid dry fabric, which helps in quick drying of the fabric when wet. This is a good choice for gym and other sports activities. The back of the t-shirt is plain, with just a reflective brand logo at the top. It's a best t-shirt at this price range, with excellent quality. I will definitely recommend it for purchasing. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more such style inspirations.